Good morning, Standard 5. I am going to continue chapter 1, Food and Health. In this video, I am going to explain you about the topic posture. Dear student, what do you mean by the posture? Posture means the position of our body while sitting, while standing, while walking, or doing different types of physical work known as posture. So, while doing different type of the activity, our posture or the position of the body should be perfect so that all our organ can work in the proper order. Let us know how we can define posture. The position in which hold our body while standing, walking, sitting, and laying down is known as posture. So dear student, this is the definition of posture, the position in which we hold our body, we keep our body while standing, walking, sitting, or while laying down. That correct position of our body during this position of our body is known as correct posture. Let us know advantages of correct posture. First, a correct posture decreases stress of the backbone. Second, it makes our backbone strong. Third, a correct posture keep our bones and position or in perfect place. It also prevent backache and muscle pain. So dear students, these are the few advantages of correct posture. Let us know about it. Correct posture decreases stress on the backbone, dear student. A correct posture decreases stress on the backbone. Second, it makes our backbone strong. A correct way, a correct position of sitting, standing, walking or doing the variety of the physical work makes our backbone strong. If we do this all the work while in the correct position or the correct posture of the body. A correct posture also keeps our bones and joints in right position or in the perfect place in the body. And the last, it prevents from back pain and the muscles pain, dear student. So while we sit or we stand, we should keep our position of the body in perfect way. So dear student, please you read the topic posture and learn about the advantages of posture. Thank you dear students.